starry nights have always captivated us. Among billions of shining points scattered across the sky, a few stars stand out, capturing our gaze and imagination. But what makes Sirius, Betelgeuse, and Vega so unique? Why do some stars shine so brightly while others appear more modest? In this video, we'll delve into the brightest stars in the sky, uncover what makes them so remarkable, and learn how to identify them in the vast expanse of the heavens. Get ready to discover fascinating facts, dive into the science behind their glow, and perhaps reconnect with the cosmos. Grab your beach chair, set up your telescope, and let's explore the universe together. Have you ever wondered what makes a star shine so brightly? The answer lies in how we measure a star's brightness. There are two main types of magnitude, apparent and absolute. Apparent magnitude refers to how bright a star appears from Earth, while absolute magnitude indicates the star's true brightness, as if it were located at a standard distance of 32 light-years from us. Understanding the difference between these magnitudes reveals not only the star's brightness, but also its distance and intrinsic luminosity. Imagine a star's brightness like a light bulb. The closer you are, the brighter it appears. As you move farther away, the light dims, even though the bulb emits the same amount of energy. The same principle applies to stars. Their perceived brightness is directly influenced by their distance from us. With this in mind, let's explore the brightest stars, beginning with the unrivaled Sirius. Among all the stars adorning the night sky, Sirius is the brightest and undeniably the most fascinating. Found in the constellation Canis Major, Sirius stands out not only for its brilliance, but also for its history. With an apparent magnitude of -1.46, it shines about 25 times more intensely than the Sun, located just 8.6 light-years away. It is one of the closest stars to Earth. Sirius is a binary star system composed of two stars, Sirius A, the bright star visible to the naked eye, and Sirius B, a white dwarf that is much harder to spot. Sirius A, a massive, hot bluish-white giant, is significantly larger and more massive than the Sun. Its incredible luminosity and proximity explain its prominence in the sky. In many ancient cultures, such as the Egyptians and Greeks, Sirius played a central role, symbolizing the goddess Isis and marking the start of the new year in ancient Egypt, influencing even the agricultural calendar. The historical and cultural significance of Sirius adds to the wonder of this star that lights up our nights. Betelgeuse, located in the Orion constellation, is one of the most intriguing stars in the sky. With its characteristic reddish hue, it is a red supergiant, meaning it is nearing the end of its life. Betelgeuse is enormous, about 1,000 times larger than the Sun and roughly 100,000 times more luminous. However, this brightness doesn't mean stability. Betelgeuse is constantly changing, and at some point in the next few thousand years, it will collapse and explode as a supernova. Betelgeuse's brightness is unstable, which has sparked speculation about the timing of its dramatic transformation. While we don't know exactly when it will happen, Betelgeuse's explosion as a supernova will be one of the most spectacular celestial events observable from Earth. When it occurs, its visual impact will be so intense that the star could shine brightly even during the day. Although this event is likely far in the future, Betelgeuse continues to play a crucial role in astronomical studies, offering valuable insights into the life cycle of massive stars. Moreover, Betelgeuse is part of one of the most recognizable patterns in the night sky. As a key star in the iconic Orion constellation, it stands out prominently on clear nights, making it a favorite among stargazers. Vega, situated in the Lyra constellation, is one of the brightest stars in the sky and holds special significance in celestial navigation. While Vega is not currently the North Star, that title belongs to Polaris in the Ursa Minor constellation. It will become the North Star approximately 12,000 years from now. This shift is due to the precession of the equinoxes, the slow wobble of Earth's rotational axis, which alters the positions of stars in the sky over millennia. With its intense brightness, Vega will be a vital navigational reference point in the distant future. Beyond its practical importance, Vega is also a young, hot star with a surface temperature much higher than that of the Sun, making it an object of fascination for astronomers and anyone intrigued by stellar evolution. Observing the night sky is a magical experience, but spotting bright stars like Sirius, Betelgeuse, and Vega requires some practice and patience. A great starting point is learning to recognize constellations, which act as natural maps to help locate specific stars. For instance, the well-known Orion constellation is an excellent guide to finding Betelgeuse, while Lyra is the key to locating Vega. Astronomy apps can also be a tremendous asset, offering interactive star maps and real-time information about celestial objects. These apps allow you to point your phone at the sky and instantly identify stars, along with details about their distances and characteristics. This makes stargazing more accessible and enjoyable, especially for beginners. As you search for the bright stars we've discussed, you'll begin to grasp the vastness of the cosmos and the elegance of the constellations as a whole. So, the next time you head out at night, bring along an astronomy app, pick a constellation, and start exploring the sky. This journey of discovery could evolve into a lifelong passion. Stargazing is more than just a leisurely activity. It's a profound way to connect with humanity's shared history. From ancient astronomers seeking answers in the heavens to modern scientists unraveling the universe's mysteries, the night sky has always been central to our understanding of the cosmos. Moreover, observing the stars offers a deeply emotional experience, evoking awe at the universe's vastness and inspiring a sense of wonder about our place within it. The idea of a before the Big Bang leads us to a fundamental philosophical question. What does time really mean? Philosophers and scientists debate whether time is a real entity that exists independently of us, or if it is a construct of our perception. If time depends on our observation or the structure of the universe, then discussing a before the Big Bang becomes a difficult concept to grasp, since according to modern theories, time itself would have started with the universe. This reflection on time also intersects with the concept of causality, the idea that everything that happens has a cause. The Big Bang is often viewed as the primordial event from which everything originated. But what caused the Big Bang itself? Is the cause of the Big Bang an unanswered question, or is there something deeper that we have yet to access? Some philosophies suggest that time and space are merely temporary manifestations of something even more fundamental, something that transcends our current understanding. Thus, when we explore the before, we are not just challenging the limits of physics, but also our very notions of existence, causality, and how we experience reality. This question becomes not just scientific, but deeply philosophical. Would time even exist if the universe had never existed? Exploring the before the Big Bang is not just a quest to understand the past. It is also a way to understand where we are heading. If time, space, and the universe have a starting point, does that imply they also have an end? Or will the universe continue to expand indefinitely, eventually dissolving into a state of emptiness? Questions about the beginning are inevitably tied to questions about the fate of the cosmos. Theories like the multiverse and cyclic universes, for example, suggest that the end of one universe might just be the beginning of another. This idea puts us in a unique position. What if our universe is merely a link in an infinite chain of existence? Though speculative, this thought helps us reimagine our role in the cosmos. We are not just passive observers, but part of a much larger and more complex system than we ever imagined. At the same time, investigating the before teaches us about the limits of science and philosophy. It shows us that some answers may always be beyond our reach, but that the search itself is valuable. It expands our understanding, fuels our curiosity, and makes us ask, if the universe had such an extraordinary beginning, what other mysteries are still waiting to be discovered?